I love a manly compared. We'll see what happens.
Introducing Match.com event. Start for free at Match.com today.
Wow, the biggest travel blueberry order ever. We've got a Red Book production. Red raspberry. Lemon. Give us all you got. What are we reaching here about?
If I've got 2 minutes, I've got shoe heaven.
Craving boots? Right now at ShoeDazzle.com, we're all about boots. Lots of style for all your looks for as low as $39.95 only at ShoeDazzle.com. And here's the brilliant deal. Join for free today and you get 25% off your first pair. Yes, that's 25% off your choice of these or these or how about these. And as always, we've got high-end boutique fashions handpicked just for you by your very own stylist. Visit ShoeDazzle.com for all the fashions you know you want. And boots, boots, and more boots. Join for free today and you get 25% off your first pair of boots and free shipping. Choose from hot styles that are all about you. This is high fashion that's highly attainable. So don't wait to get your very own personalized showroom and 25% off